GoPro, a name synonymous with action and adventure, capturing life's most thrilling moments in stunning detail. This renowned brand is known for its compact and durable action cameras, designed to withstand the harshest of conditions, from the deepest underwater dives to the highest mountain peaks. With a reputation for capturing high-quality footage in various environments, GoPro sets the bar high. Offering a lineup from the beginner-friendly Hero to the feature-packed Hero Black series, GoPro ensures there's a perfect model for every adventurer's needs. When it comes to getting started with GoPro, the Hero series is a perfect entry point. These cameras are not just affordable, they also come with a host of features that make them ideal for beginners or those on a budget. The latest GoPro Hero model boasts high-resolution video capture, robust waterproofing, and an intuitive user interface. Plus, with various shooting modes and a durable build, it's an excellent tool for capturing life's adventures. The GoPro Hero series packs in plenty of features, making it a great choice for those dipping their toes into the world of action cameras. For those seeking a bit more, GoPro's Hero Plus series offers a step up from the entry-level models. These mid-range cameras pack a punch, with improvements like enhanced image stabilization, superior video quality, and longer battery life. Now you might be wondering, who exactly is this for? Well, the Hero Plus series is perfect for vloggers, who'll appreciate the improved audio quality and the addition of a front-facing screen. Travelers too will find value in the GPS functionality, allowing them to geotag their adventures. And let's not forget the casual adventurers who can take advantage of the camera's rugged build and waterproof capabilities. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, snorkeling in the sea, or exploring a bustling city, the Hero Plus series is up for the challenge. Its versatility and improved features make it a favorite among users who demand more from their action camera. The Hero Plus series is a solid choice for those who want more features without breaking the bank. For the enthusiasts and professionals, the GoPro Hero Black series represents the pinnacle of action camera technology. The Hero Black series is a powerhouse, boasting advanced features like supreme resolution that gives your footage an ultra-sharp cinematic quality. But it's not just about the high definition, it's about stability too. These models come with enhanced stabilization features, ensuring your action-packed adventures are captured with minimal shake or blur. The low-light performance is nothing short of outstanding, making them ideal for capturing those magical sunrise hikes or twilight cityscapes. Now, who's this for? It's for the die-hard tech enthusiasts, the professionals who demand nothing but the best, and those who crave top-tier performance in their gadgets. It's for the adventurers who want to record their exploits in the highest quality possible. The Hero Black series is a testament to GoPro's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with action cameras. No matter which GoPro model you choose, there are certain features that set these cameras apart. Let's dive into the video quality first. GoPro cameras are revered for their ability to capture in various resolutions and frame rates. From full high definition to 4K, these cameras offer a range of options to cater to your specific needs. And for those slow-motion enthusiasts, high frame rates are a standard feature. Now let's talk about photo capabilities. GoPro doesn't limit itself to just videos, it also excels in the photography department. With high-resolution photos, features like burst mode for rapid-fire shooting and time-lapse capabilities, you can capture the world in a myriad of ways. And let's not forget the advanced photo modes available in the higher-end models. Durability is another hallmark of GoPro. These cameras are designed to be rugged and waterproof, making them suitable for a wide range of activities. Whether you're skydiving or snorkeling, GoPro is built to withstand the elements. Battery life is crucial for any camera. Different GoPro models offer varying battery lives, but there are plenty of tips and tricks, as well as external power sources to ensure you never miss a moment. And what's a GoPro without its mounts and accessories? From chest mounts to helmet mounts, these accessories enhance the user experience and enable creative shooting angles. Plus, GoPro's editing software and app make sharing your adventures on social media a breeze. With their high-quality footage, durable build, and a plethora of accessories, GoPro cameras provide a versatile platform for capturing and sharing your adventures. From the beginner-friendly Hero to the advanced Hero Black series, GoPro has a camera for every adventurer. We've journeyed through a wide spectrum of GoPro models, each offering a unique blend of features, be it high-resolution video capture, advanced stabilization, or exceptional low-light performance. We've also highlighted the versatility of these rugged waterproof cameras and their compatibility with a myriad of accessories. No matter where your adventures take you, GoPro is ready to capture every moment in stunning detail.